Just 5 months after Samsung unveiled its sporty Galaxy Watch Active, the successor is now here. The brand new Galaxy Watch Active 2 is official and it now comes in 2 different sizes and has a few new features. Hello guys, my name is Vic with PhoneArena and I spent some time with Samsung's newest smartwatches at the IFA Tech Show in Berlin, and these are our first impressions. First, the Watch Active 2 looks just a lot better. The original watch was tiny and it felt a bit too plasticky and toy-like, while this new one feels premium. It is available in 2 versions. One with an aluminum frame that by default comes with a sporty band, and a more premium version made of stainless steel, which by default comes with a stylish leather strap. The 2 sizes are also very welcome. You can choose between a 40mm watch and a much larger 44mm one. A cool new feature allows you to match the colors of your watch face to your daily outfit. Simply take a picture of yourself and the watch will extract the key colors and apply them to the current watch face. Nice. Most Samsung watches recently featured a very useful rotating bezel that you could use to navigate around the watch. While the Watch Active 2 does not have a physical rotating bezel, it resurrects this idea with a virtual one. Simply slide your finger along the edges of the watch and you can move around menus just like you would on a physical rotating bezel. Takes some getting used to, but it works surprisingly well. Probably the most important new feature of the Galaxy Watch Active 2 is its ECG Sensor, which allows the watch to measure your heart's activity. The feature will not be available at launch, but it's coming via an update in early 2020. And the rest is all about activity tracking and notifications. You have a total of 39 activities that you can track, and 7 of those are tracked automatically: running, walking, cycling, swimming, rowing machine, elliptical machine, and dynamic workouts. The running coach feature is also here with 7 different running programs. Samsung also says that the sensors at the rear of the wearable are improved and should take readings much faster. The Watch Active 2 now also features a cellular model, so it can be used even when you don't have your phone on you. So are you sold on this new watch? The Active 2 is coming to stores on September 27th and prices will start at $280 for the smaller aluminum model and $300 for the larger one. And those are our first impressions with the Watch Active 2. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this, subscribe to see more. My name is Vic and I'll see you next time right here on PhoneArena.